Communication. I believe if you can master communication, you can achieve and have anything you want on this planet. The way you speak to people, how you speak to people, how you get your message across, how you get people to buy into an idea, into yourself, is the gateway to everything. And I struggle with communication. I'm good for communicating in small bursts about specific things, but overall, I suck at it. And it's been a lifelong thing, and it's something that I'm putting more energy into daily, and I will master it at some point.